In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add color swatches on Shopify using category meta fields. This guide will walk you through each step, ensuring your online store benefits from the visual appeal and organizational tidiness of color swatches, which can truly enhance the shopping experience for your customers. Now, let's dive in and get started. The first thing you'll need to do is head over to Shopify's website. Once there, look for the Login button, usually found at the top right corner of the page. You'll want to click on this to access your Shopify account. Enter your credentials, and you'll be directed to the Shopify Home, the central hub for managing your online store. Once you're on the Shopify homepage, look for the Settings option. You'll typically find this in the lower left-hand corner of your dashboard. Clicking on Settings will open a new menu with various configuration options for your store. These options are how you'll tailor your Shopify experience to better meet the needs of your products and customers. Next, from the Settings menu, find and select Meta Fields and Meta Objects. This is a critical step, as Meta Fields provide you with a way to customize the Shopify experience beyond the default settings. They can hold additional data about your products or collections, making them perfect for integrating something like color swatches. Now that you're in the Meta Field section, look for the option to Add Meta Object Definition. This is where you will begin defining the new properties of your products, namely, their color options. Clicking here will open a new window or dialog box, prompting you to set up this new meta field. When adding a meta object definition, you'll need to determine the field type. Shopify offers several field types such as text, number, or color. For the purposes of setting up color swatches, you'll want to select the color field type. This selection will allow you to designate specific colors to products, which will be represented visually in your storefront. By choosing color, you enable your store to incorporate a dynamic and visually appealing selection interface, greatly enhancing the user experience as customers can visually identify products in the color of their choice, without navigating away from the page or clicking additional options. In wrapping up, these steps will significantly enhance the usability and aesthetics of your Shopify store. Adding color swatches not only helps present your product options more clearly, but also aids your customers in making quick, informed decisions. This kind of attention to detail can lead to increased customer satisfaction and potentially boost sales. So, go on and elevate your e-commerce game by adding those vibrant color swatches today. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.